Hello guys, Flash here with another video. Today we're going to discuss about MILEY&MUSK token. The MILEY&MUSK token has one goal in mind: to send Miley and Musk to the moon. As life on Earth becomes more of a daily grind, we are waiting with bated breath for Elon to open the gates to space. In today's video we're going to discuss about this token, as it is a Ethereum mainnet based token. We're going to take a look at the listings, we're going to take a look at the social medias and all of that, and I'm also going to show you guys how to buy it on Uniswap. Let's take a look at the tokenomics. So 85% of the total supply is locked in the Uniswap liquidity pool. To ensure that your funds are safe and guarantee against any rug pulls, 85% of the tokens are added to the MILEY&MUSK and Ethereum pair or Uniswap that was locked for 3 months. They intend to migrate to the liquidity to V3 of Ethereum and then lock forever. So here is the roadmap. The phase 1 is already completed, as creating MILEY&MUSK token, website launch and social media launch, and added liquidity to Uniswap. On the phase 2, it is undergoing as of this moment CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap listing, 500 Telegram group members, engage social influencers, and in phase 3 the NFT creation, 2000 Telegram group members, rewards pool, and 5000 holders. On the website is also a brief guide on how to buy MILEY&MUSK, but I'm going to show you guys later in the video. Let's take a look at their Twitter. So they have 1500 followers. I highly suggest you guys going and following them on Twitter, as they post updates and all of that, as well as the Telegram group with only 54 members, as this is a new token. I highly suggest you guys going and joining the Telegram group. I'm going to show you guys how to buy MILEY&MUSK on Uniswap. Brief disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor or anything. Everything I say and is said in this video is meant to be taken as education purposes only. The only things you guys need is MetaMask and some Ethereum. So go transfer some Ethereum to your MetaMask. After that, you have to go on the website and click on Uniswap over here. It will redirect you to Uniswap. Now just select the max amount. As that being said, please leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications. Don't forget to check all the links in the description, as I will leave the official website and the social medias. Flash out.